Hi, dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own WhatsApp link. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. So, let's get started. First of all, open your WhatsApp. Suppose I want to send a WhatsApp account link to this person. Let's see how we can create a WhatsApp account link. First type wa.me, then type a slash, and after that, type your WhatsApp number with your country code. Now, as you can see, this has created a link. If anyone taps on this link, it will open your WhatsApp. So, friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button on this video. Thanks for watching.